Unfortunately, we are still getting people who are coming to us that was part of the multi-state Santander class action settlement that was way back in 2021. It encompassed people who had gotten loans from, I believe, from my memory, about 2016 all the way to 2020. And I have an individual who contacted me, and maybe you may find yourself in this situation, or someone that you know finds themselves in this situation where they still have their vehicle, but they are not getting their title. Part of the class action was they were supposed to get their title. Any debt that they had, if they did repossess the car, any deficiency balances were supposed to be forgiven. If a person still had their car and they still owed on the loan, they were supposed to forgive that debt and give them their title. Well, we're finding out that some of the debts were passed on to mainly Jefferson Capital, and they have again started suing people and again started refusing to give people clear titles. So the person can get their car, get the tags and all of that stuff renewed, get all of that stuff so they can drive the car legally, but they don't have a clear title and they were supposed to get a clear title. Now, a gentleman just emailed me, got in touch with the office last week, and he showed me where Jefferson Capital was continuing to come after him, even though he told them, I have a document from his state attorney general's office saying that he was part of the class action settlement and that he doesn't owe anything and they're supposed to get the title to them. Here's where the confusion is happening, and Jefferson Capital will continue to play stupid unless you do the following steps that I'm about to tell you right now. If you had a document just like this gentleman has, that's going to be your proof that's going to be what you're going to attach as proof. First, though, you have to state clearly that you were part of the class action lawsuit. You want them to cease and desist all communications. You want them to cease and desist any collection actions, and that you actually never owed them any of the debt, and that this debt was sold to them, and they need to send it back to Santander because the debt does not exist, that it just got accidentally placed with the bundle of debt that they purchased from them, and that they didn't go through it properly and your debt was included. You need to give them that letter and attach the settlement information that you have for this case here. The individual has a letter from the attorney general, has his name on it, everything that he was included, instructing that was not supposed to, number one, that supposed to get something from the settlement, which in his case, when you have the vehicle, you're supposed to get the debt taken away, forgiven, not where they can send it to the IRS, just forgiven because it was in a class action lawsuit. And then the next step is to get a clear title. So if you're experiencing that, we can draw it up for you. It has to be done a certain way or they won't pay attention. I'm very sorry that people are having to go through this type of stuff, but this is a process to get this that some people are going to have to go through to get this taken care of. I can say on the other side that it's still worth it, even if you have to pay, and we only charge $100 to do it. It's still going to be worth it because with this individual, he's going to get the vehicle and did not have to pay the other debt, and he's going to have a clear title. So if you need help with any of these outstanding settlement issues with any company where they were supposed to either pay you money or they were supposed to clear your titles or anything, and they just haven't done it. Maybe they're also supposed to take it off of individuals' credit reports. If any of those issues, you're still dealing with them, contact us at thecreditrepairshop.com. And you can email us at support@thecreditrepairshop.com, and we will get in touch with you. You'll have our number. If you need help with your credit, you can visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com, watch a video what makes us different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my two-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website the3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors who are suing you in court, go to summonsmaster.com so you can get a fully formatted, court-ready response to your lawsuit, give you the opportunity to win your case, get your case delayed, or to get you in a position to get an excellent settlement offer. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com and creator and founder of summonsmaster.com.